G'day folks, Ben from Snowies today showing you the Front Runner Flat Pack Storage Cube.
Hit it.
This storage cube packs flat for transport, folds out into a 23 litre cube for storage when you need it, can be used as an insert for the Wolfpack Pro, and comes complete with divider and organiser pockets to keep yourself organised. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is Front Runner's Flat Pack Storage Cube, packed up. It measures about 43 centimetres by about 20 centimetres by about 10 centimetres packed up. So if you don't need it, you can pack it up like this, store it in your car, and then when you do need it, it easily folds out into a semi-rigid storage box. So we fold it out like this, the sides fold out, the base folds down, there's a little divider in here, we fold the base over a second time to create a rigid base, and then the lid also has a fold in the middle here to fold over the top. Little padded divider here, lines up with the Velcro panels on each side, so this is adjustable anywhere from here through to here. The Velcro panel runs from here to here, so you can adjust that a little bit depending on what you're storing inside. That just sits there to divide up what's inside there. And then this sits over the top and does up. And when this is set up, measures around about 43 centimeters, still about 20 or just under 20 centimeters in height and about 30 centimeters in depth here. Inside a little bit less, take a few centimeters off those dimensions, but it is kind of flexible. So they're not rigid dimensions, but roughly the same dimensions minus 1 or 2 centimeters inside. Bit of a tour around the outside. This is made from a durable 600D polyester, and it's got a rigid, I don't know exactly what it is, but it feels like it's firm and flexible panels inside here to give it that rigidity. They feel kind of strong. You could stack some of these on top of each other and it's not going to collapse down. Similar materials on the inside. It's not a polyester, but it is a synthetic material on the inside to give it a bit of water resistance, I suppose. Nice smooth finish for cleaning as well. The top has got a handle on it, so you've got a grab handle here. You've also got grab handles on the ends and the sides, so all the way around there are grab handles. So no matter how you store it in your vehicle, you're going to be able to have something to grab it. If it's in a drawer, stacked in this way, stacked in that way, you've always got a handle to grab it. And that's reinforced all the way around the outside here with this webbing. And you would have noticed you've got a little panel here as well, and you do get some little labels. There's a whole heap of labels in here. We've got the tools one in there at the moment. So if you've got multiples of these, you can label what's inside to make it really easy to identify what you're grabbing out. Not much to see on the base, just the 600 denier polyester. Before we go inside, I just want to show that this can also be used, or it can be used as a standalone storage pod, but it can also be used as a Wolfpack Pro insert. Now this tub underneath here is a Front Runner Wolfpack Pro tub, a separately available item. You can actually fit these inside here, so if you want extra protection inside this, you can use this inside as a bit of a divider, but also to protect what's in there. So you might have camera gear or something and you want to be able to put it inside a nice durable tub like this. Offer an extra layer of protection with what this offers in here. You can put it inside here and that goes in and out if you like, if that's how you want to set it up. But this would probably be a really good solution for the back of a vehicle or a four-wheel drive because it offers good protection inside. Bit of a look inside a few other features. You've got a couple of Velcro pockets at the top here, or they're mesh Velcro closure pockets, so you can store some stuff in the lid there. A couple of those and a zippered pocket there to store accessories. So probably a good kitchen kit. You can store some utensils and cutlery and stuff, a few condiments and things up the top here. And then you could fit your plates and things down the bottom. I'll chuck a few things inside to show you how it might fit. So probably want to take the handle off of this fry pan in this instance to fit it in there. I can move this over to sort of secure that on that side there if I liked. Gas will probably fit upright because it's a soft lid that will do up. We'll give that a try in a sec. And I've got a whole stack of plates here. We'll see if we can fit them inside. At this end here, it's quite a firm fit, still a bit of space. Obviously you can fill that right up. And then we can do this up, and that will do up with that gas bottle sitting upright there. So you can see I fit a bit of gear in there, room for heaps more, but because it's a sort of semi-rigid container, you've got a bit of flexibility in what you can fit inside. Technically that gas bottle is too high, but because the lid flexes out, it does fit inside. So that is Front Runner's Wolfpack. Really versatile little storage container. Packs flat, which is probably really beneficial when you have it at home after your trip. these are empty, you can pack them all flat, stack them in your wardrobe or in your shed. They're not going to take up heaps of space. I know I've got a heap of empty tubs that sit in my shed at home, take up a lot of space but don't do anything. If I had these, they'd pack flat, wouldn't take up any space when I'm not using them. Then they pop out, create storage when I do need them in the back of my four-wheel drive when I'm going camping, or even just in the back of my everyday car to keep things organised. That's Front Runner's flat pack storage cube. Check him out online at snowies.com.au.